You can use Perplexity to analyze and compare two products very quickly. This is something that I do very often, and basically you can use it as a partner discussion about any product that you are trying to buy. And I think it does quite a wonderful job. It can do research, you can read content from forums, from social media, so you'll get a much deeper and more wide answer if you are using Perplexity to analyze or search any product. But you can also use Perplexity to generate this interactive report in just a few minutes. So I try to compare Microsoft Surface Pro 13 versus Asus VivoBook S15, and this is the result. There are some visuals, there is also this tab, and you can adjust the setting for some reason, and basically it will help you to decide whether or not one product is better over the other. And there are some levels of interactivity which I think makes choosing the product a lot easier, and hopefully you will make a better purchase if you're using this method on Perplexity. So let me show you how you can create this interactive report using Perplexity Labs. Now let's go to Perplexity, and you can log in with your account. And by the way, this feature that I'm going to utilize in the video is only available for the Pro and Enterprise users. So if you're still using the free version, unfortunately you cannot use it. But if you are interested, you can use the discount link in the video description. So anyway, I will try to compare a keyboard this time around. Now I'm going to be using this prompt, and don't worry, I'm going to put the prompt in the video description. So let me copy that, and I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Okay, so you have to type the name of the product. There is product A, and there's also product B. Now for the product A, it's going to be, let's say I want to compare two products from the same brand. So I want to buy keyboard. I'm in the market of a computer keyboard. So the product A would be Logitech, let's say K650. And then product B, which is the one that will be compared to, is Logitech K54. Now, that's basically the main things that you need to provide in the prompt. The next thing that you can do is that you can tell AI about your priority, whether it's the budget, the size, the battery life, the color, the opinions about other people. It's up to you. And in this case, I'll try to use ergonomic as one factor, and maybe the price, and also let's say longevity. So that's my main priorities. Now let's switch to Perplexity Labs, and here I do recommend to enable social search because there are some valuable insights from people on social media and forums. And after that, let's send the message and just wait for Perplexity to analyze, do research, and will give you an interactive report in just about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, so this is the result. Let me click view full screen. And this is essentially the page that created by Perplexity Labs. And as you can see, there are a few interactive elements, like if I want to change my priority, I can click this slider and I can drag it to the right. So let's say I care more about the price, and as you can see, the score adjusts accordingly. So that's very interesting, and in case you change your mind, you can always adjust the slider, and you can let AI, or in this case some calculation behind the scene, to decide what is the best product for your needs. And if you scroll down again, you'll see some insights, some specifications, and maybe some visual analysis that will help you decide the best product that you need to buy based on your requirements or based on your needs. But by the way, you might be seeing a completely different page, because even though you are using the same prompt, Perplexity might be using a different style or different design based on its flexibility and also based on the products that you're trying to compare. So that's basically how you can use Perplexity AI to help you decide or to help you compare two products. So hopefully you can choose, or you can get a much better information about the product that you need to buy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.